Okay, so here with another news site, news.sky.com. I'm going to be stripping stuff out, theming it dark, and maybe looking at the main site, news.sky.com, to do that site as well. All right, let's get started. Here is our source. I'm assuming we can just strip out the header, and that will be all we need to do after we save. Dates are always good. Share articles, no thank you, I don't care. Looks like this one here, SDC site share, we can just hide that away without a slash. This looks like a random, possibly strapline. Article widget, maybe? Or maybe just strapline, because it matches the link that's actually inside there. I hate that when it double selects lines. I don't know what's going on here, or why I want to listen to random news sites while reading their stuff. Theme light, theme with playlist, that's a class, and theme with cover, another class, and it's still there. And we've got the important tag on that should disappear, right? Oh, my bad, this is an iframe. What is this iframe wrapped as? Article podcast is what I really wanted. There we go. And a completely separate headline for their podcast with no specific attributes, so probably can't get rid of that P. Yeah, well, that's going to have to stay. This, however, the next section, we probably can get rid of because it's a related story. Got some video going on, not too much of else going on. I'm imagining there's some kind of video or something that's blocked here, but let's just maybe clear it all out, just in case. Giant blank white on our site, nobody likes that. And I don't care about any of those things. Probably get rid of all the footer. And then on to width of the article. Select the article, go up, find the outermost element because there's probably a max width or width on it. Copy those and give ourselves overwrite their attributes of max width. Ooh, giant image. You know what? Let's make this 90%. Having this little buffer on the sides looks a little better. And center it. Oh, it's already centered. Look at that. Giant. The tiny little paragraphs become single lines after that. What do you think advertisement is labeled as? Let's say it's this, mainly because this advertisement has AU on it. Hide that away. And what do their images and videos look like to scale those down to about 50% of what's going on here? Select the text so we can get to just above their article video. I wonder if their pictures or figures or something like that. Oops, didn't want to hide that completely. Wanted to give it a width. Maybe change the margins? Nope, they already have the margins for us. This is an image, or probably article image. Oh, but they didn't handle the margins on that one. Okay, next up, that's the whole article. Okay, it's kind of obnoxious with this giant space between paragraphs. Let's figure out margin bottom. Let's slim that down to maybe 20 pixels. Ooh, too much. Looks a little better. Okay, now for the background. Hopefully it's just the body tag that does the background. Nope. And page limits, not so much. Maybe it's HTML. Start in the middle by clicking there. Nothing. Nothing. Maybe by default it's white, and we can set this to what we want and not have to change a thing. Perfect. And where's the text getting its color from? Looks like this. Okay, looks like they all might be different. P, article body P, this to our text group. Titles, is it just an H1 or is it they have a title specific tag? Oh look, it matches the subtitle. Anything else? Colors for this. We've got thin caption, or whatever that is. Looks nicer. Video captions are apparently different. And more broad ranging is just going to be fig caption in case there's something I missed. Let's maybe change the color to our dim color. Okay, that does make a change, makes it a little brighter. Not sure where that white line's coming. It's probably part of the video. Nope. There might be a border somewhere we can knock out. Or just the background. There it is. It was the background. There's probably a background on the image elements too. Sort through some of that here. Maybe not. I suppose that blue link. Let's go ahead and replace it. Why not? Overwrite it, and their underlines are different colors too. Either using like a text shadow, drop shadow, text decoration color. Oh, I didn't know that was a thing. Can we just do that, or do we have to force it? Forcing it is good. And nobody likes bold. A little better. Alright, that's the main page. Let's check out their article page and see how atrocious this is. Oh wow, I can't even look at it until I agree to their forced cookie settings. but I can change it. How about we don't give a flying care in the world about that? We've got this is the outer window. This is probably the background overlay. Let's see if we can just... Can't use that exact class, but we can use a selector to get anything like it. Class, matching, anything like that. Hideout. Okay, that wasn't the background. Includes. This is, looks like SP Veil. Same thing here. SP VIEL. EI. We'll get rid of that, and we still need to fix the scrolling. Normally pop-ups hide the scrolling. And normally it's on the body. Could be on HTML, but it's overflow. SP message open is how they're actually setting it. So closer to where we just set the things for SP, we can do this. Overflow equals set. And let's make sure that always happens. Maybe do that on HTML and body just in case. Nope. Well, we have to search for it now. Gosh. Not gonna be on the header. I don't know how to get around this one. Dig a little bit more into this to figure out where that's being set. Suppose we can try with SP message open, see if that changes anything. Okay, and when we click off, we get the scrolling. So it does have to do with that class. So we're on the right path. But it's already unset here, and it's unimportant. What are our other options? Visible? No. I doubt changing the order of how we present this will happen. That still doesn't show scrolling on the main page. Well, we know it's related to this class somehow. Maybe position fix does something? Holy crap, it does. Okay, so what are our options for position? Let's try initial. Sure. Okay, so we'll set that to that. So that the border's hidden to make sure style updates will, if I can spell it right, initial. Important override? What did I miss? Position, spelled right, initial. Script, let's try unset. Oh, putting that in totally the wrong class. That's why nothing's happening. Perfect. Okay, so there's one thing we don't have to worry about ever again. This, maybe if you're going to the home page, you want to see those, so we won't just outright exclude those. Can open this up. Header inner. Exclude those two items. I don't even know what I just did. Oops. Exclude that. Exclude Looks like there's probably a height going on in there. Oh, no. Okay, just the color. Looks like maybe an image based on these colors over here. Probably just overwrite it for a dark background. No background there. These aren't really shown anymore. Empty class, it's not doing anything. That's not shown, just delete that. And this site header. Okay, maybe there's something over there. I'm not quite sure what. Oh, because I'm looking for overflow. That's why. There's what looks like a background. Let's just go ahead and call this a dark color. Haven't set that anywhere yet, so oh, that looks better. And highlights just over that. Can change this drop-down menu. Right click, look at some stuff. This is probably where the background comes from. Yep. That part of the menu, why not? We can make that dark color too. Ooh, dark color's got background on it. What can we do with this? How there's so many items here? Oh, these are the previous ones. Oh, I see what it's doing. This whole UL list is this thing, and there's overflow. I didn't know you could do that with unordered lists like that. So technically, if we change our width, more things should go in there. Huh. Fancy. Okay, let's try to look at our main style list, which for me, ID 4. What do we have that is a solid color that isn't going to be too bright? You know what? Interest will work. This one. It's got a very light opacity to it. It's not exactly what I want, but I won't have to change anything for this. We just added something UL. Is it this? Yes. Just add a new group. A little nicer. Change some of the borders on this. Maybe it's on the A? Yes, it is on the A. Just a nice section for border color. Now we need the outside, which probably will be this. But that doesn't get the top. A little strange. Huh. Okay, I don't think that looks too bad with that transparency in the background. These article captions are super bright, don't need to be white. Is this, or is the whole thing got the background? Maybe we've got a box shadow going on. I hate box shadows, normally. Seen a few good uses of them, but makes me feel better about box shadows. We want this white. Where is this background? Let's filter it out. That should help. Here. Background none. Maybe it is on this. Background color, here it is. That could probably be our dark color. Much better. Oh, there's a hover color. How nice. Let's turn on the hover style so we can track down where it's coming from. So everything has the color. Ooh, that is a nice little transition with the white thing going on. But again, where is it setting its hover style? Not quite. All right, so it's definitely on this element. Just added in hover black, which does nothing. I had to pause there for a second to find this, but we know it's on this element because we can toggle that. Hiding down below is the sweep after. Oh no, that's just the sweet white border thing going on, which probably could change that. Why not? Just copy the whole style and edit it from there. Why not? Oh wow, that's a lot. Hue saturation. So probably this is going to have to change to something. Let's just do a quick. Oh, there's several of them. Let's do 50, 30. Each one of those, that should eventually change your color once I get enough of these. This probably is a find or replace that I'm not using, but oh well. It's fun to type out every character, right? That should change stuff. Oh, the hue needs a degree sign on it. Okay, I'll do this again real quickly. Oh, I'm definitely missing some of these, but oh well. 50 degrees, 50 degrees, 50 degrees. Thanks for bearing with me through this incredibly boring process. Degree, degree, degree. Missing one at the end. Probably missed another one somewhere in there, but oh well. That also doesn't seem to be doing anything. Maybe just let the original do all the work for us. Oh wait, I turned it off. There we go. Let's set you to something more blue. Let's set this to 200. Ooh, nope. Use the slider. Blue there, looks good. Blue here, looks good. Still that background going on. Might be all the lights, maybe? Yeah. It's not quite white. We'll save that for now. Maybe come back to it later. Maybe not. Still trying to figure out why this hover style is white. I swore it was in here earlier. We can just start turning things off. Not that any of these things will help. There's our 5-pixel border. Maybe we could change that too. There's this class. Make that something smaller. It doesn't change the header, so I'm not going to do that. And by the header, I mean that. Colors, colors, colors. We're going to figure it out that is now being set by ours. Which we can turn that off there. Not that before. I have absolutely no idea what a setting is called. After, maybe? Oh man, that is ridiculous. Look, there's our sweet blue, but not up there. Okay, turn off our hover style. Good step forward. Images load. Buttons. Why not? Separate this out a little. There, that's a nice button going on. Change these white things, maybe, depending on how they're set up. Probably in this figure. And it's an SVG, fantastic. Easy to change. Just search for fill. Oh, more white things. What can we do to this entire panel? With no background. Here, no, that's just the border. So every single one of these items needs to set their border color. I don't think I have the border only section yet. I could be wrong. Yes, we do. The background, that's another. Here it is. Oh, and their hover sites are set as well. How nice. It'll be on the before, if it's anything like the way we just did previously. Not on this one. On this one, maybe? There we go. Probably before or after. There's our color. Okay, let's just dig across all of them. Background. We already set, that's the base background. Not on that before. Not there, can't be there, can't be that because it's just the title. Close that up after. Not going to be that, that's the shiny thing. Wait, what? Here's this. Inside the H4 tag, there's what? And after that does the entire background? That makes no sense. Interest, what? Oh, that's terrible. How? Who wrote that? Oh, it looks like I completely destroyed the animation. Maybe not. Let's refresh the page and try again. There we go. There's the animation. Though one color is appropriate, one color is still whitish. I don't care that much. And here is an everlasting long page. I'm going to change this, and then I'm done with this. Oh my god, look how many classes inherit that. That's terrible. And I suppose the numbers and the underlines. This should have an underline. Yeah. Border bottom. We go to our border colors section with this nasty class names everywhere. How about this number? Just make that our text color. We can stick there. And I guess this is a title too that maybe someone somewhere at some point in time would want to read. Where does color get set? Body. Okay, hey, so there we go. And if we get really excited, any actual figure image. Too light. That looks good. All right, that's all. Took up a lot of time. Thanks for listening. Subscribe, comments, or whatever you want. Cheers.